हम आम खाते हैं। We eat mango. We eat mango. तुम किसको पढ़ाते हो? Whom do you teach? Whom do you teach? तुम्हें अब कौन बुलाता है? Who calls you now? Who calls you now? वह कहाँ सोता है? Where does he sleep? Where does he sleep? हम क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते हैं। We do not play cricket. We do not play cricket. आग जलती है। Fire burns. Fire burns. अब क्या होता है? What happened now? What happened now? ऐसा कौन कहता है? Who says so? Who says so? तुम अपना काम कर रहे हो। You are doing your work. You are doing your work. तुम किसे पढ़ा रहे हो? Whom are you teaching? Whom are you teaching? तुम किससे बातें कर रहे हो? To whom are you speaking? To whom are you speaking? वे लड़के कहानियाँ सुना रहे हैं। Those boys are telling stories. Those boys are telling stories. अब बारिश हो रही है। It is raining now. It is raining now. वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? वे यहाँ कब आ रहे हैं? When are they coming here? When are they coming here? चपरासी कहाँ गया है? Where has the peon gone? Where has the peon gone? उन्होंने आज क्या खाया है? What have they eaten today? What have they eaten today? तुम्हें आज किसने बुलाया है? Who has called you today? Who has called you today? रात कितनी सुहानी है। How fine the night is. How fine the night is. मौसम कितना गर्म है। How hot the day is. How hot the day is. आवाज़ सुनकर लड़का जाग पड़ा। Hearing the noise, the boy woke up. Hearing the noise, the boy woke up. वह कल रात रोता हुआ आया था। Yesterday he came here weeping. Yesterday he came here weeping. मुझे ये सुनकर दुख हुआ है। I am sorry to hear this. I am sorry to hear this. मैंने तूफान को आते हुए देखा। I saw the storm approaching. I saw the storm approaching. मैंने उसे चिल्लाते हुए सुना था। I heard him cry. I heard him cry. मैं यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए आया हूँ। I have come here to read. I have come here to read. वह आया था और मैं चला गया। He came and I went. He came and I went. नींबू खट्टा लग रहा है। The lemon taste is sour. The lemon taste is sour. क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? आप कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? Where were you going? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? आप ठीक हो जाओगे. You will be fine. You will be fine. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. कल क्या होगा? What will happen tomorrow? What will happen tomorrow? क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? क्या आप मजाक तो नहीं कर रहे हो? Are you serious? Are you serious? नहीं, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. No, I am serious. No, I am serious. गेट बंद करो. Close the door. Close the door. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Please focus on your study. Please focus on your study. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? धन्यवाद, आपने मेरा इंतज़ार किया. Thanks, you waited me. Thanks, you waited me. यहाँ आने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thanks for coming here. Thanks for coming here. अगर आपको बुरा ना लगे. If you don't mind. If you don't mind. तारे आसमान में चमक रहे हैं. The stars are brightening in the sky. The stars are brightening in the sky. अगर आपको मेरे साथ आना है. If you want to come with me. If you want to come with me. आप यह क्यों पहनते हो? Why do you wear this? Why do you wear this? आप क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? तुम उस बारे में परेशान मत हो. You don't worry about that. You don't worry about that. मैं लापरवाह नहीं हूँ। आई एम नॉट केयरलेस। आई एम नॉट केयरलेस। क्या यह सवाल आसान है? इज़ दिस क्वेश्चन ईजी? इज़ दिस क्वेश्चन ईजी? आज मोहन मौजूद नहीं है। मोहन इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट टुडे। मोहन इज़ नॉट प्रेजेंट टुडे। क्या कल टीचर छुट्टी पर थे? वॉज द टीचर ऑन लीव येस्टरडे? वॉज द टीचर ऑन लीव येस्टरडे? दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं। There are 24 hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. इसके बिना और कोई चारा नहीं था। There was no other alternative. There was no other alternative. क्या तुम्हारे बाग में कुछ आम के पेड़ हैं? Are there some mango trees in your garden? Are there some mango trees in your garden? हमने कल होटल में लंच किया। We had our lunch in a hotel yesterday. We had our lunch in a hotel yesterday. उन्होंने हमें खेलते हुए देखा। They saw us play. They saw us play. ये अंगूर खाने में मीठे हैं। These grapes are sweet to eat. These grapes are sweet to eat. मैं हवाई जहाज़ से यात्रा करना पसंद करता हूँ। I like traveling by aeroplane. I like traveling by aeroplane. लड़ने का अर्थ है मारना। Fighting means killing. Fighting means killing. पढ़ते पढ़ते मैं सो गया। While reading I fell asleep. While reading I fell asleep. खबर गलत हो सकती है। The news may be false. The news may be false. मैंने अंग्रेज़ी बोलना सीख लिया है। I have learned to speak English. I have learned to speak English. वह अब जा सकती है। She can go now. She can go now. क्या आप समझ गए हो? Do you get that? Do you get that? मुझे सलाह मत दो। Don't give me advice. Don't give me advice. वह लड़ाई में हार गया। He was defeated in the battle. He was defeated in the battle. वह डर गया। He was frightened. He was frightened. वह नदी में डूब गया। He was drowned in the river. He was drowned in the river. उसने अपने दुश्मन को मार दिया। He killed his enemy. He killed his enemy. तुम सच बोलते हो। You speak the truth. You speak the truth. यह मेरे हाथ में नहीं है। It is not in my power. It is not in my power. क्या वह स्कूल पैदल जाती है? Does she go to school on foot? Does she go to school on foot? हम आजकल चाय नहीं पीते हैं। We do not take tea nowadays. We do not take tea nowadays. क्या तुम रोज नहाते हो? Do you bath every day? Do you bath every day? वे आराम नहीं कर रहे हैं। They are not taking rest. They are not taking rest. आप मेरठ कब जा रहे हो? When are you going to Meerut? When are you going to Meerut? क्या बाहर बारिश हो रही है? Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside? मैंने अपना काम खत्म कर लिया है। I have finished my work. I have finished my work. क्या तुम कभी दिल्ली गई हो? Have you ever been go to Delhi? Have you ever been go to Delhi? मैंने उसे अभी तक नहीं देखा है। I have not seen him yet. I have not seen him yet. मैंने अपना वादा पूरा किया। I fulfilled my promise. I fulfilled my promise. धमाके के साथ बम फट गया। The bomb exploded with a blast. The bomb exploded with a blast. उसने मेरे साथ खाना नहीं खाया। He did not dinner with me. He did not dinner with me. वह कब सोई? When did she go to bed? When did she go to bed? कल तुमसे मिलने कौन आया था? Who came to see you yesterday? Who came to see you yesterday? आपने कभी मेरी मदद नहीं की। You never helped me. You never helped me. हम कमरे में शोर नहीं मचा रहे थे। We were not making a noise in the room. We were not making a noise in the room. गाड़ी किस गति से चल रही थी? At what speed was the train moving? At what speed was the train moving? वह स्कूल कब जा रहा था? When was he going to school? When was he going to school? मैं आज 2:30 वाली बस से जाऊंगा. I shall leave by the 2:30 bus today. I shall leave by the 2:30 bus today. वह ज़रूर आएगा. He definitely will come. He definitely will come. आज हम फुटबॉल का मैच नहीं खेलेंगे. We shall not play a football match today. We shall not play a football match today. शीला इस साल परीक्षा देगी. Sheila will take the examination this year. Sheila will take the examination this year. तुम कल कहाँ जाओगे? Where will you go to tomorrow? Where will you go to tomorrow? शीला बाजार कब जाएगी? When will Sheila go to market? When will Sheila go to market? बंद करो. Close up. Close up.